Hello, the short video is about the Nobel Prize in Physiology of Medicine in 1916, but as you can see and read, no Nobel Prize was awarded this year, which meant that the prize money was allocated to the special fund of this prize section to be allocated elsewhere. This has happened more often. It has happened in 1915, as you can see, 1916, 1917, 1918, there's 4 times in World War I, 1921 and 1925, and 3 times in World War II, 1940, 1941 and 1942, thus in total of 9 times. The prize has also been delayed 5 times for a year, in 1914, 1922, 1926, 1938 and 1943, dus one in World War I, one in World War II, and 3 other times. And since there is no Nobel Prize, there's also no award ceremony speech, nor Nobel Prize lecture. So for the moment, this is it. There isn't any more to say about it.